Hey guys.
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the 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 banging on the. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the sofa, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the tower, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the counter, banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. Why should she believe me when I told her it wasn't me? Banging on the banging on the banging on the banging on the sofa.
Today's video, I'm just gonna show you what I have been doing, and I'm trying to show you tutorials, and I think I do have some tutorials, but not on this. But I think I do. I have some behind the scenes, so it's gonna be popping up in the video and all that. But I want to show y'all what I made today. Today I made a banner for the YouTuber Quan, and because I made a intro for Quan also. So y'all tell me how I did, because I did very good for a beginner. Well, I used to making intros, but banners and intros, but this looks expensive. Like someone well, here you go. Come on now. So let me, before I get to a short video, I want to make it a little bit longer. So I want to tell y'all the details of basically what I got, basically what it is on this picture. So the background, as y'all see, is basically a screenshot of the intro. I had a shadow, white shadow, and so the what's called from pop. So yeah. So let's start from the left to the right. So let's start with background for this banner right here. I put the same background because I want it to appear like it's the same type of theme for the intro and banner. So I did the X and I put it in a color because it can't change nothing. The color can't change. I can't put effects because it's a picture. You know what I'm saying? So I put it as a color, and I use yellow and blue. Didn't even know if I'm gonna use this font or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Hear me out. So I got this cozy right here because that's his brand, and this is the little R symbol. I was like, that's cute. Just put it on the side so it won't be a little blank there. But I could put something right here, but I decided not to because I don't know, it will look too much. Okay. Next, the pictures. Now, these pictures may look blurry to y'all, but I used the app called Remini, and basically enhance your photos. So it'll enhance blurry photos to, good pictures, good quality pictures. So download that because it's not free, but it's free. You get me? Okay, so I picked these, and it looks blurry, but it's really looks very clear to me. So then the font. Oh, let me just tell y'all. So these are 3 pictures that I picked because it looked cute. It just looked cute, you know what I'm saying? So, the font. This font is so cute because it resembles him. I wanted the intro and the banner to resemble him. Very abstract, very like put it on. Like just I don't know, this the theme of it. And he gives me like graffiti, out of the box type of look. You know what I'm saying? Like the X. Yeah, it just gives me that. So I use this, even though the purple is kind of like whoa, but it's so perfect with the pictures because the pictures also have purple in it. So I was like, okay, and it's the same photo as the background that's behind the banner. Like it's the same pictures right here. This picture right here is the same picture as this. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the intro too. Okay. This is like a package. So if y'all want an intro, I could sell it for, just a little bit cheaper. But I don't know. But it depends on what age you are and all that stuff. And if you have a job or not. But if you want the intro, I sell it for cheap. Just for the people that's young. Because I know young people want to make an intro. Want to make a YouTube channel. But they don't have money or anything. And they want something like this. And this don't come like a day or so. This is like previous, like a whole bunch of days. Because I have to think of something. So it's like a whole bunch of things. And also I want to make a YouTube video on like my customers' intros. And that'd be so nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so the font was out of the box. I was like, that's perfect. That's so perfect. And then put it's just so perfect. And then first I have right here where it says vlogs and fashion. First I had vlogs, lifestyle, and fashion. But then I was like, he's in the way. I want the picture right there. So I erased lifestyle and put like the line. It just looked cute to me with the lines, the two lines. I could erase those lines, but it would be too empty for me. Yeah. So that's the font. That's the where it says vlog affection. That's the regular font. Where it says Quan. That's a cute font. Abstract. So here, you already know the blue plus sign. You already know that. I did that before everything else. And this is the other picture. Sorry, this is the other picture I took. It's very saturated. Not saturated. It's good quality. Trust me. I'm gonna show you on the banner, and you will see it's good quality. Here, I was like, I need something. I don't want to put all his social media. No, I want to put all his social media. Boom! I look on his YouTube and his bio and see what's his social media, and it was just this Poppy Q. So then I was like, ooh, I should just create like a jumble, like together, basically, not just put Instagram Poppy Q, Twitter or X Poppy Q, TikTok Poppy Q. I don't want to do that because it's the same name. So I was like, let me make a collage, let me make a group. And so if I can't click on it because this is the edit for how I want the banner to display. It's not the. Let me go to it first. So let me show y'all. I click on this. Boom! I did it. I did it. I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, I grouped it together. I didn't know how I can do that, but I did it. And I made it. So, since you're working on like something small like this, I just add like a page and then put like how I did this part. I don't want to mess it up. How I did the social media. I just put it together, group it, and then drag it over here. Let me just show y'all. I'm gonna see if I can duplicate it, or I can't. Anyways, you get what I'm getting. Okay. So yeah, that's the banner. So this is the first part of the video. I'm gonna explain more on the intro part in my next video. So stay tuned.
All that I've got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie, sorry I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips.